Okay, so I'm outside right now, and it's super cold, and I can ride my bike with no handlebars. So, give me a minute to get started. I can do it better, but I'm trying to record myself. It's super cold right now. Freezing. Switching. So cold. I just had an icy. Like me and my crazy self. Had an icy. And so, even more cold. Even colder, I should say. Really fast. There goes my little sister. She's coming. No hands. No hands. No hands. I'm turning trying to catch up with you. Let's go on the humps. I can ride my bike with no handlebar. Oh my god! 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 That scared me so bad! Oh my god! Didi! I almost fell! Whoa! Oh my god! We have to go tell them their dogs are out, or probably they already know. I said we have to go tell them their dogs are out, or probably they already know. Oh my god. Jack, the dog was following you.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah. If they're over there, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to go back home. I'm going to go another way. I think they saw it. Go, 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 go! Go, go! Go, go, Didi, go! Go! Whoa, she fell! Go, Didi! Go, Didi! Go, Didi! They're pit bulls. I have a pit bull bigger than that, but that thing's good. Okay, we had to go all the way down there, and then we had to tell them secretly for the dogs don't get us. Come on, we don't want anybody being attacked by them.
Oh my god!
We're like the neighborhood watch.